In this Gauteng-based telecommunications company, the telecommunications network engineer is known as the radio frequency engineer. He plans, designs, and installs the devices that enable radio frequency, which is needed for telecommunications. Telecommunications, also known as telecoms, include information transmitting technologies such as telephones, wired and wireless, microwave communications, fiber optics, satellites, radio and television broadcasting, and the internet. Radio frequency is transmitted by different types of antenna. We are familiar with many of them in our daily lives, such as the antenna on cars, on routers, hidden antenna on our cell phones, and the satellite dishes we see all around us. A typical working process begins when a customer requests telecom services, for example, internet connectivity for a business. The engineer will do an initial survey of the site to check how many wireless access points need to be installed. He will also plan how to bring connectivity into the building. For example, he may design a system using an existing outside microwave dish, which looks like a satellite dish, to bring the internet into the client's premises. Based on this, he gives the client a quote. The network engineer then does a more detailed site survey, checking where the access points can be installed. These are the antennae that provide wireless connectivity. This is known as point-to-multipoint connectivity, also known as WLAN, the wireless local area network, the area inside the client's premises supplying connectivity within the building. He also checks the WAN, the wide area network, for radio connectivity outside of the client's premises. This is known as point-to-point connectivity. The engineer identifies a high site near the premises where an existing microwave dish has already been installed. He will install a microwave dish on the high site or roof of the client's building to pick up signal from the opposite microwave. He adjusts the client's satellite to get effective point-to-point connectivity. He can check that there is wireless connectivity throughout the premises using an app on his phone. And he checks the WAN connectivity on a monitor. All employees will now have access to the internet on their laptops, phones, and other devices from anywhere in the building. After the telecommunications network engineer has verified that the connectivity is effective, he will walk the client through it to demonstrate the telecoms network. He can also show the client how to connect to access points, where they are, and the signal strengths. And the client will sign off on a job well done. The minimum requirement for this career is a grade 12 with maths and physical science, enabling you to study in areas such as BSc in electronic engineering. You need to enjoy the practical side of the job and have a passion for and wide knowledge of telecommunications technologies.